Hello, welcome to SBM headquarters, located in number 1688 East Goku Road. Here is our headquarters, SBM. And this way, this is to our president, Mr. Mo and Mr. Xi. Here we have the Mineral Museum. It's the first museum in this industries, in this field. Now I will introduce this museum for you. Here is our mineral museum. This is a Shillong stone. It's very famous in the world. This is our museum. In this museum, we have 4 sections. First section is the earth. Second section is the raw material SBM can handle. The third section is the material SBM, how we handle this material, and the fourth section is the application of these minerals. Okay, this is a different type of earth. Here is the 3D printed earth. In Saudi Arabia is in this area, Mongolia in this area, East Asia in this area. We have exported our products in more than 180 countries. In our exhibition rooms, you can check the flags, and you will know this. Also, welcome to visit us. From this bridge, we can get the different rocks. Now we are at the second sections of the different stones. All of these stones is from our own mining in Baoding, and we supply the material to Xiong'an new area buildings. And some is the material we collect from our client from different areas. In this side is a different kind of limestones. In limestone is widely used edge for different industry, for crusher, for aggregate, and for painting in different countries. Here, this is we get some samples for our client. In Saudi Arabia, this basalt is famous in Mecca area and the Medina area, Jeddah area. In limestone is widely in Riyadh area. This is the feldspar. Feldspar is widely used for ceramic. We have supplied a lot of ceramic companies with feldspars, and this is the quartz. Now the quartz is the most important material for the chips, for new technology development. Different minerals, and this is copper. We have operated our copper and gold ore in Tanzania. We can supply the EPCO service for clients. The kaolin, also for ceramic, widely used, is a rare earth. You can see we have different minerals from different areas. We warmly invite them to check, and I think we have the material the same as you, and we know how to processing it. Here is 3 sections of our civilization. First is the Stone Age, and Copper Age, and Iron Age. In this museum, we have the material from the earth. We also have the material from the universal. You can check that. In this case, a lot of students and students come to this museum for studies. We also introduce different hardness for the stones. Okay, today we have a client from Korea. This is the third sections for SBM. We can handle this. This is for pond sections. This is for aggregate sections. That is for minor sections. For the pond sections, we can produce different size to 2000 microns, 5 micron, 2000 mesh, and 3000 mesh for tag. And also this area is for the aggregate. You can see the sand. This sand we can meet the requirement for the ASTM C33 for American standard, also the Chinese standard GB 146 and GB standards with cubic shape for different usage for asphalt plant, concrete plant, for road base in different size. This is the fourth products stages for primary, secondary, tertiary, and for the pounders. For this we get the different mental ore for different area, and some of our client side we now most widely is the iron ore, the copper ore, for the gold ore, and how these sections we have some project cases. This is for grindings and for crushers, and we show some the 3D designs for all of the clients. We can give them the design from AutoCAD or to the 3D designs for the client, give the clear idea. We can supply the complete solutions. In these sections, when the client know how to SBM can process the materials, we also give the ideas for the client, give which this material will be used in the market. Here is a small rooms for the usage for development of the ores for different usage. This is the paintings adopted the miners. Okay, from here we get the fourth sections, the application of ore. This is the aggregate standard for the constructions for different strengths of the concrete. For sand is coarse sand, middle sand, fine sand, ultra fine sand. We can give the different solutions for different concrete requirement. Also, they get the shape and the needles. As I referred to that, we can meet the requirement ASTM C33 American standard, also the Chinese standard GB 14684. This is the different strengths for the concrete. The widely used is C30 and C35 for normal constructions, but for the high tall buildings we have this one, 630 and C70. Also for asphalt bitumen concrete. This is our concrete sections. Also, miners not only for constructions is very close to our lives. This is the usage for different. You can check it. The lithium, the silica for chips. Here is some titanium pounders for different usage for high tech. Also here, you can see this is our transmission shaft. We adopt the copper alloy, the hammers, and this build wheels, and the spring mesh. This is some spare part with some high performance for the client. Also adopt these miners. Okay, this is the general introduction of our Miner Museum. My introduction is very simple. I warmly invite you coming to visit us. Seeing is believing. We can share good time together. Thank you.